matter where consensual relationship turning sour and the complainant happens to be an advocate. No, my lord, last time Lordship issued notice in my IA also because the charge sheet though has been filed, but I want...
Petitioner is an advocate.
No, the complainant happens to be an advocate. She was handling my legal affairs of my divorce case against my wife. My lordship may recall that case, my lords. Now, my lords, today what I'm seeking is two things, my lords. One, your lordship protecting me by passing an interim order. Lordship may make that order absolute, number one. Charge sheet has already been filed. I want to join the investigation. I'm sitting in England, my lords. Therefore, I moved an IA last time, my lord. Lordship issued notice in the IA saying that in case Lordship protected me, in case they have issued blue collar notice, they have to be cost. Otherwise, I would be arrested. Your Lordship order will become ineffective. So that query was put to the state last time. They have not answered that.
Your ladyship on the last occasion had...
Complainant, she is client.
I beg to appear for the complainant.
It's the client.
No, Milits. The complainant is an
my-
advocate, but not what has been suppressed, Milits, are four things.
Consultation or something.
Yes, she was handling my legal affairs. FIR says.
Initially, he approaches for the purposes of a consultation, Milits. Then what happens is that I deny, saying categorically that I am pursuing my master's in social work. Therefore, I cannot appear for you. Now, unlike that, Milits, what has been suppressed at page number B is to give an impression to this honorable court as if I am his advocate, which is not the case.
Yes, yes.
Now, Milits, what happens is, at page number 32, then that's the second suppression that has been made is, he has given a list of about 32 cases, apparently as if I am habitual in making cases or allegations against similarly situated, which is again false, Milits. Because in this specific case, Milits, there are two categorical specific utterances that I have made, Milits.
So for how long the relationship continued?
Milits, 4 months.
6 months.
4 months. And Milits, what has happened is on September this happens, and in
Now they are not in any relationship.
no relation. In fact, Milits, what happens is that...
Complainant.
Yes, Milits, I'm the complainant.
Now, afterward, the relationship is broken.
My lords, my
And
lords.
why you file the
No,
complaint?
Milits, yes.
You file the complaint.
Yes,
You're
Milits.
an advocate,
Yes,
you're an matured person.
Now, Milits, what happened was,
File this complaint.
why I filed this, Milits, the deceit that was employed.
What?
In December, I found out he was calling me his wife and everything, all those things be put aside, Milits.
Why did you file the complaint?
I filed the complaint on December for the simple reason that in December he tells me that he is already patched up with his wife, and he has also, there's another person in his life. So there's a third woman in his life, which I get to know, and he's been merrily living with that new
How
person.
What,
Milits, I am concerned because, Milits, I was looking forward to marrying this person, Milits. that's-
after 4 months.
Yes, Milits, now,
By then the relationship had already soured.
So,
Milits, the relationship had not soured. The relationship soured at the time when he gives this deceit. He tells me in December, Milits, what happens is,
You are saying that you are not interested in him, he is suppressed, etc.
my,
And you are interested in marrying him.
no, Milits, at that point of time I was.
Interested in marrying him.
At that
so
point-
there's no question of any offense as such when you are not interested.
Milits.
Where is the
And there are
Samadhan's
two
judgment is directly on this point. What's your judgment, Samadhan? Where the accused was the
specific,
advocate.
Milits, it's not just false promise to marry.
Leave granted. Learned Senior Counsel appearing for the appellant herein submitted that the appellant is a practicing advocate.
No, the complainant is great.
Complainant.
The appellant is resides
He's an
overseas,
IT professional in London.
resides overseas and is an information technology professional, while the complainant is a practicing advocate. The allegations made as against the appellant herein are wholly false and frivolous, and the appellant has been dragged into this controversy for reasons which are not true and correct. That the respondent complainant was consensually in a relationship with the appellant which no longer subsists. Neither of the parties intend to marry each other. In the circumstances, the filing of a complaint itself was wholly unwarranted. He further submitted that that this court, by interim order dated so and so, has granted interim protection. Having regard to the facts of his case, the interim order may be made absolute. Learned counsel for the first respondent state with reference to the counter affidavit, however, submitted. Who is the state?
Milits, I appear for the state. Milits may not
You are not supporting the
Yes.
appellant.
Yes, Millets may not make the order absolute for the reason. Millets, on the last occasion, your lordship had put to the state as to, because Millets, today the LOC is taken out. My lords, even the blue corner notice has been issued by the Interpol. So your ladyship had asked on the last occasion. Yes.
Why trivializing? Therefore, that IA has been moved.
This offense. Blue collar notice, you go up after big fish, not after
Branded as a.
Millets, the petitioner.
state of Maharashtra.
Therefore, that IA moved for costing of that.
Issuing blue collar notices where it has to be issued and allowing them to go or come.
Millets,
And it's innovative, their own benefit. I want to join.
Because of this lady's relationship, what is
corner notice is only issued for the purpose that Millets, he joins investigation.
That it will be quashed.
And
And saying I want to come and.
And Millets, now your lordship has already protected the petitioner. So he will not be arrested if he comes back.
counsel for the respondent state, standing counsel?
Millets, yes.
Learned counsel for the respondent state with reference to his counter affidavit contended that there is no merit in this appeal. That already a blue corner notice, no
The details.
LOC. Yes, ma'am.
Lookout notice, blue corner notice.
Three have been
Two
issued.
things.
A proclamation.
The details are page
an
4
LOC,
of that IA.
as well as the blue
Millets
corner.
against him.
dictate all the lot.
But the details are there at page 4
1 minute.
of that IA.
Let him dictate.
Yes, Millets. NBWs are issued, Millets.
Already
Thereafter, Millets.
non-bailable warrants.
Then Millets. PO proceedings have also been issued. Proclamation proceedings have also been initiated. And thereafter, Millets, lookout notice has been taken out. And the blue corner notice has been issued by the Interpol.
Therefore, this court may not grant any relief to the petitioner, to the appellate herein. Learned counsel for the second respondent,
Mallets.
complainant, also supported the arguments of learned counsel for the respondent state and contended that the allegations as against the appellant herein are true. Therefore, the relief of anticipatory bail may not be granted to the appellate herein.
Millets, one more submission, Millets, only for your consideration, Millets, is that in addition to false promise to marry, there is also forceful unnatural sex, which is why both the courts
That's
have
not
denied.
When there
That's
is
all.
consent
That's not the
of
charge sheet.
natural and
It's because I,
everything
no,
goes-
Millets, because insofar as this was concerned, I had said it was against my will and against my consent. I just wanted to place it for your submission.
And counsel for the second respondent complaint also supported the arguments of the learned counsel for the first respondent state and contended that the allegations as against the appellant herein are true.
true and serious, and therefore the appeal may be dismissed. All right, allowed. So in case he is arrested, he shall be released on bail subject to furnishing cash security in a sum of rupees 25,000 with 2 like sureties. He shall extend complete cooperation in the ensuing investigation.
The investigation is complete. Charge is filed.
No, Millets, the investigation is not complete. Coehem, it's still open, Millets.
Investigation, we will say, all right.
Lordship, just one more request.
1 minute, please. Appellant shall not misuse his liberty and shall not in any way influence the witnesses or tamper with the material on record. It is since the appellant is residing in England,
England.
London, and he is expected to cooperate with the investigation. In the event he returns to India for the purpose of cooperating with the investigation or for any other purpose, he shall, this order shall protect him this order shall protect him. Yes.
Lordship, just one more prayer.
What else?
In that IA which I have moved, I have given the details of that blue corner notice number and all that. Lordship, may cost those. Otherwise, they will arrest me in the airport. I won't be able to go back to my IT thing, my lords. This will affect my career, my lords. Just that IA page number 4 are the details.
Since
I
we
am maybe
have
allowed.
granted the relief of anticipatory bail to the appellant herein, we'll say no coercive steps.
No, this will not help because Lordship may remember because Lordship put that query last time also. That
What is those notices, Millets, including the LOC?
I would have to report.
Has to challenge before the trial.
Page 4 is the details.
All those notices.
Blue corner notice, etc.
All those the notices, namely so and so, so and so, so and so. Page
Page 4 of that IA.
Page 4 of the IA shall be kept in abeyance.
Or Lordship may say cause sheet.
No,
No, shall be kept in abeyance.
Because for that, Ministry of External Affairs then will have to be made party because blue corner notice is issued.
That's why.
Yes.
No. Where shall be kept in abeyance. Otherwise, our order becomes, without any.
Manoj, his passport may also be submitted.
Why not state against him? He is not a smuggler.
No, only to ensure that Manoj, his
Not-
passport.
Go after the big fish.
Lordship, just one more thing. In,
Maharashtra, big fish. You are allowing them to go and come like that freely. Go after them.
and Lordship, just one more thing. Let them inform me 1 week in advance. They want me to ministry. I'll come down. 1
Yes.
week. Just
Right.
1 week intimation.
The intimation of the date of investigation shall be made known to the appellant herein in advance so as to enable him to travel to India.
Grateful, Lordship.
Bombay, is it?
Bombay.
Navi.
Mumbai. Navi Mumbai.
I'm grateful. I'm deeply grateful.
It is what?
It's after notice method.
Yes.
Item 19.